Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINK's top vlogger. Big up NEWLINK's cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Greetings and blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up your all self, man. I know so the attacking boss there, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean say attack. So right about now, my viewers and subscribers, me not attack nobody, me not attack no one. But all me ask my viewers and my subscribers throughout the world to do is please help and assist a young female right now, my people. I'm going to share with you all. You understand? Because she is going through a very tough condition, my people. You understand? She have a tumor, you know, basically from her face part, my people, and only just sees and he knows, my people. She's young, you know what I mean? Just basically turning 23, my people, and have a lot of future ahead of her, my people. You know what I mean? She has this video that she sent to my people explaining and talking about her situation, my people, and I'm telling her, I feel it for her. I really feel it for her, my viewers and subscribers, and I'm asking all my viewers and subscribers right out here, my people, you know what I mean, I'm going to share this video with you, and please, if you can find it in your heart, my people.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. Alright, this is Diandra Pearce, young lady with the tumor. Yes, so as I stated on the last video, the result from my biopsy came back good. It's not cancerous, thank God. And once more, I'd like to thank everyone who helped me financially, who called and checked up on me. I really appreciate it. All those who pray for me, I really appreciate it, and I'm very grateful. So I'm now scheduled to do surgery. Once the money is ready, I can have the surgery done. Anytime soon, by between now and January. I'm scheduled to do surgery in Kingston. However, I got an estimate bill. For almost $400,000 for the surgery, and I have to pay another $200,000 for a plate and screw, you know, to set back my teeth, nose, and everything in place after the surgery. To stay at the hospital is $3,000 a day, $3,000 for 1 day, and I'll have to go in a week before my surgery. So if my surgery is next week, I would have to go in the week before, and I'm not sure how long I'll be staying in there after the surgery, because I have to stay in there for a while. So the doctors can check my mouth daily to make sure there is no infection and make sure it's healing properly. So it's a great cost, as well as the doctors told me that maybe they'll have to run maybe 2 more tests to see if anything else develop, any bone damage or anything like that. So everything will be up to maybe $1 million when I check it out, and things for me to maybe, you know, consume is not in it. So I'm asking anyone out there willing to assist me with the surgery. I really appreciate it, no matter how small it is. I'm grateful, because as I stated, I haven't worked from 2020. I have this swelling from 2019, so it's 3 years now. Alright, so going to doctors back and forth, so you know, everything is going well so far. It's just that the what I should say now, the swelling is just a bit more from the last time. As you can see, my teeth them twist, them lean, and all of that. I'm having difficulty breathing. As I stated, I'm not able to breathe through this nostril, as well as I'm having difficulty eating, sleeping, and all of that. It's hard for me to even brush my teeth with even a baby toothbrush, because the bleeding starts from here. It keeps bleeding, the blood is spilling. So it's really hard, it's difficult, right? So I'm very young, as everyone can see. December is my birthday, I will be 23. I really want to get rid of this thing. I really want my face to go back to normal. I want my life to go back to normal. I want to be able to work again, eat properly, sleep, do everything. It's hard. But anyone willing to help, I really appreciate it. There will be a GoFundMe account in which this video will be attached to, as well as my phone number is 1-876-485-3588. That's 1-876-485-3588. And I have an NCB account as well. The account number is 754-368020. That's an NCB account, 754-368020. And the name on the account is Diandra Pearce. That's DIANDRAPEARCE. So anyone want to reach out to me or you want to call to make sure, you can contact me by my phone number, which is 1-876-485-3588. And continue to pray for me, you all. I appreciate it, and we leave everything in God's hands. Everything will be successful. Thank you.
Because she messaged the people asking if I can share her story out there. She said she's willing to go live with me and thing my people. And I said, no, you don't really have to go the extra mile to go live or anything like that. All you have to do is just create a video, explain the situation, and she done it, my people. You understand? Because she really needed help. She said she wanted to go back to a normal life, just to live a normal life where she can work, take care of herself. So she ain't looking no money if you say, go have fun. And she really needed help, my people. Really needed help. And you can be a part of bringing back Diandra Pearce life together, life to normal, my people. You can be a part of this. And I'm asking all of you, my viewers and subscribers around there throughout the world, please join in. Please help. Please assist my people. Please do so. She, as I said, she is young. You understand? She have the, oh my gosh. And as some people, she have an NCB account. You understand, where you can make that donation. She have a GoFundMe account where you can also make a donation, my people. You can call her directly and speak to her if you're willing to, my people. And there she can explain anything to you. She was just a normal girl, my people, living a normal life until this thing do happen, which anybody at all, things can happen to. It could have been anybody, the princess. It could have been anybody. Nobody knows what tomorrow may bring. So if you can find in your heart even $1 and you can put it towards this GoFundMe, please do. It could have been a cent. Do it from your heart, my people. Do it for your purpose. Do it for your cause in bringing Diandra Pearce life back together. My people, big up on yourself, and enough love, enough respect, enough blessings. I'm a thank you, my people. Thank you all, because I know some of my viewers and my subscribers throughout the world, you will join in, you will do something toward this, people. Please, let's bring her back together. Peace out, enough love, blessings.